seats, Shillong and Tura. With 10 candidates contesting, a lot is at stake for all the political parties in the state. The NPP that fielded women candidates for both the seats has its task cut out to hold on to former Chief Minister P.A. Sangma's legacy and hopes to take the Shillong seat from the Congress this time. However, three-time Shillong MP and former Union Minister Vincent is confident of retaining the Shillong seat. In an exclusive interview with DD News, Pala claimed that the NPP, being an ally of the BJP, is already losing the confidence of the people, adding that every vote for the NPP is a vote to the BJP. Despite the NDA's big wins in 2014 and 2019 and the Congress being out of power in Meghalaya for the past 6 years, the party managed to hold on to its Shillong bastion.
BJP also started moving closer to the minds of the people in Meghalaya. If you see in the last election, BJP has increased their vote share, but suddenly they changed their strategy by moving through a partner NPP. So the people now think that whatever vote you are giving to NPP is a vote giving to BJP. Today, the NPP is a partner of BJP. Tomorrow, BJP will swallow the NPP.
The Voice of the People Party